Hey, I'm back again. That shit was crazy, and I'm never gonna do that again. I know I said I'm not gonna do it again, but I just have to. Oh, fuck you. Fucking yeah. You will not die, fuck you. How am I not getting hit? Oh my god, fucking Juggernaut. Eat it, bitch. Fuck, bitch. My god. Somebody help me. Suck it, motherfucker. Oh my god, really? Suck it, bitches. Oh my god, really? Motherfuckers. Jesus. Please, no. Please have ammo. Fuck you. Yeah, fuck you. Oh shit. Fuck you. Load faster, damn it. Fucking. Oh my god. Please let that be all of them. Is that all of them? Anybody else left? Oh shit, a fucking grenade. Oh fucking hell. Oh jeez, no. Fuck you. No. Fuck you. Oh my god, that shit was intense. Oh god. God, my heart is pounding. Yeah. And look at all these holes, man. I mean, like, all this shooting and all that. Fuck, man. Bastards. Oh god, that shit was. My god, I feel like I'm almost having a heart attack. Oof. Let's try that again. I want to do that again for some reason. But like in a different video.